Good morning, students. Today we will start a new experiment on electrical drawing and simulation. The experiment we will perform we will perform on a different software called as PSIM. This PSIM software is a very compatible, easy and user friendly software, and in this software you can simulate power electronic circuit very quite easily and get the correct results. You can get the accurate results. So for this we will require to first download the software PSIM. Clear? This software is also available as a freeware also, so that is a student version, you can download it. So today we will perform a practical, we will draw a single phase half bridge controlled rectifier with R and RL load. Clear? So for that we have this drawing. Clear? We have this drawing. This drawing we need to simulate in PSIM software, right? So we will start now. So first of all, what we will do, we will click on this, make a double click. As I make a double click, then this complete window opens. Clear? This complete window will get open. Fine. Now I will require a new file. So when this new file opens, this is the drawing window which is created here. Clear? Fine. Now there are all the elements are here itself. I will have a close-up of it. Ground, resistor, inductor, capacitor, diode, MOSFET, IGBT, right? Single phase diode bridge, three phase diode bridge, gate block, which we will require for this experiment. Then on off switch control for measurement, voltage, voltmeter, ammeter, and so on, right? So for this I have shown you what I have shown you. We will here we will have to draw this circuit. We will have to draw this circuit, right? So for this we require what? A thyristor, a voltage source, a ammeter, a resistance, and a voltmeter. Clear? So we will get a thyristor. Here there is no thyristor directly available, so we will type thyristor. As soon as I type thyristor, I get this. See, I have typed thyristor. Okay, I have not done anything. I have just typed thyristor. When I have typed thyristor, see, this thyristor appears. Clear? Then we require what? A voltage source. From here we will get this. This is what? As I click, it is a sinusoidal voltage source. I have to click it, right? Click and release. See, I have clicked it, and there is no need to drag. You just click it, and wherever you take your mouse, it will go with it. Clear? So I have placed it here. Unless and until I select a next element, this will appear as it is. Fine. So next element is resistor. So I have selected resistor from here, right? This is the resistor. Now I want to flip it. So how I will flip it? I will select this, and I will just flip it, rotate. So I have rotated it, right? Now I want two meters. I want meters now. I want a voltage to be measured here. I want voltage to be measured here, and I want the current to be measured here. So current, yes, I want the current to be measured here. Clear? Fine. So now what I will do, I will just connect it. Now for this I will require a gate pulse, because thyristor works on gate. We will have to trigger our thyristor at certain points. Fine. So now the circuit is complete. I will have to just name the parameters. See, when I click here, I get these. I want to give the RMS value. RMS value is 169.6. Voltage, frequency I will have to give. Frequency is 50 Hertz, right? It's V1. If I display these two things, it will be displayed here, right? See here, it has been displayed. Fine. Then this is your voltage source. So I will write down here simply Vs. I will display it. Clear? Then ammeter IL. Fine. Okay. Then this is the resistance. Resistance is 10. I will keep it as it is. This is your V output. So I will make it V0. V output. Okay. I'm just naming it. Clear? Now gate pulse, because at which point you want to trigger, first you will have to make the frequency as 50. Correct? Then make this as 40. At 40 angle it will get triggered, right? So make it as 40. Okay. Then we require the simulation control. Without simulation control we will not get the values. So make it as increase your time. It's 0.05. Clear? Rest of all is okay. Then we need to save this. Save, right? So you'll name the your program as half bridge. We'll name it as half bridge, right? Then we'll save it. Fine. Then now I want to run this simulation. See how I will run it. Simulate, run simulation. As I run simulation now, I want source voltage. I have added it. Okay, see, this is the source voltage. Now I want to see output. Then go to screen, add screen, V0, add. Okay, see now. Right, this is your waveform. See, it has been triggered at 40 degree. We have given it. See, this is your wave, this is your input voltage, and this is your output voltage here. Okay, fine. Now if you want to measure the values, what are the values? Then go at the bottom side, click here, see maximum. See here, you will get the values. It is what the values are: 1.69 into 10 to the power 1.69 into 10 to the power 2, it means 169, right? Output voltage 169, and V0 is also 169. Clear? It is a resistive load. Clear? Now if I, at which point it is triggered, see, I will simply bring this, well, this to here. So what is the output voltage? Source voltage is, see, source voltage is 100 something. Clear? Source voltage is approximately 100, right? And here this is also the thing. If I right, see here, see here, it's a very different thing. Source voltage is 8.13 into 10 to the power 1, means it is 81 volts. But the output, it is not triggered yet. See here, it's not triggered yet, right? So when it is not triggered, the value is what? 0. 0.000813, means it is 0. Clear? So this is the clarity which you get in PSIM. Fine. Now if I want to change the load, right? See, I am now changing my load. I want to add a inductor also. So what I will do, I will simply make space for adding the inductor. I will simply make space for adding the inductor. I will take the inductor from here. See, inductor, I have pasted it here. I want to make it rotated, so I will select it. Again I will rotate it. I will place it here. Fine. Then what I will do, I will just connect it. Right? Now I will measure the voltage across this. Complete. Right? So what is the value of inductor? You can say it's the value of inductor 1 millihenry, 0.001. I will keep it the same. Then see, simulate, run simulation. Sorry, first source, add. Okay, this is the source. Now see the add screen, add screen, output, add. Okay, see here, observe it clearly. I am bringing this camera here. See, here there is a dip in, here there is a small dip in the C, right? As soon as the inductor is there, the current through the inductor cannot be zero instantly. So for a small period, what happens? The current flows, right? If you want to make it more distinct, if you want to make it more distinct, you need to just increase the value of, decrease the value of resistance. You can make it 2, cross, simulate, run simulation, again the same thing, add, okay, screen, add, okay, see here now. Okay, so this was a small experiment using PSIM, single phase, half bridge, controlled rectifier. Okay, fine. So this is your complete simulation. The values which, if you want to see, I have shown you. You can calculate the values and other parameters also. Thank you.